Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from the Wealth Step by Step Residual Income Program. You can see I'm showing my level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 7 levels in this program. These are the people that are on my team. That's how much each level is paying me per month. It's a $30 a month program. I'm averaging about $100 a month. I started in July. I will put the link down in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. I want to show you something else. I want to show you the commission log. So for the month of January, I got paid $99. February was $85. March was $95. And April will be $95 as well. If I go here and I change it to 2024 and I hit search, my first month that I started in July was $50. I started in July of 2024. It's $30 a month. So I was in profit my first month by $20. August I only made $25, so it only cost me $5 because it's a $30 a month opportunity. September was $53. October was $44. November was $83. And then it went up to $123 in December. And then January was $99. February was $85. March was $95. So this month will be $95 as well, according to my genealogy, which is right here. There's 7 levels to this program. It's a 3x7 matrix. 3x7 matrix. Everybody gets 3. So if you can join this program, refer 3 people. If everybody refers 3 people, you can get paid every single month. Sometimes you get spillover, sometimes you don't. You can get paid in levels 1, 2, 3, and 4, even if you did not refer anybody. So my commissions for April will be $95. He pays that at the beginning of the following month. So I just wanted to show a little bit of my results. I'm going to push pause. I'm going to show you my other website. I will put this link, member-mj8014.dailycashteam.com. There's a video there I want you to watch on that page. That's my own website. My ID number for the program is MJ8014. So there's a video here that's just a couple minutes long, 5 minutes long. I want you to watch that video, please. And then you can click on any one of these banners or buttons down below. If you want to learn about the program in Spanish, you can click there on that banner, that button. This button right here goes to my automated funnel one of them. I have a couple of them. This explains how much the levels pay you per person. So the first level, you get 3 people, you get $3 per person per month. Level 2, you get $7 per month per person. So 3 times 3, there's 9 people in level 2. And then there's 27 people in level 3, and so on. It multiplies times 3. Everybody gets 3. You can get spillover, but spillover is not a guarantee. You can hear a video and hear the monitor of the program, the administrator. If you click that button there, it'll go to a video that I made where you can listen to what the program creator says about the program and why he created it. He created it for us. This was a banner that I made back in August of last year. There's some of the people that I signed up in the program, but there's been about 10 people total that maybe 12 people. I'm not sure exactly how many people I signed up, but there's quite a few. Work from anywhere, global business, high earning potential. So I'm going to put that link in the pinned comment and the description of this video. It's a 3x7 matrix. If you like residual income, passive income, go ahead and watch this video. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the pinned comment and the video description, please. Jesus loves you. He's coming soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.